Hey guys, I am back with this cool thing that UberChic Beauty is doing. They're going to do a release of several plates. This one is going to release May 29th, and then there's a few that are going to release in June. And so they sent them like this because they want it to be sort of like an advent calendar reveal. So I am going to do a little video for each of them. You're going to get to see me seeing them for the first time. And also I want to get these out to you pretty quickly, and so I'm going to be doing things a little bit different in terms of the video. Let me know how you feel about that, but I want to make sure that you guys can see these plates as quickly as possible as they are released in their little advent calendar release. All right. Oh, there's two. There's two. That's a surprise already. So again, May 29th. And let's take a look quickly before I take the stuff out. So this is a mini, and it is modern tropical. And so it's got all kinds of cool leaves and all kinds of layering images. So you can get your two-tone leaves. You can get, this is really kind of cool too with the two different patterns on that. So you can mix and match patterns along with all of your different layering leaves. Oh, that's super, super, super cool. And then she's also gives you a little bit of textural elements in between as well. Like, that's just cool for anything. It's almost like a brush stroke. But I love all of these. This is perfect for any kind of vacation maybe you want to do, any place you're going. Even if you just have a staycation and you want to give yourself some tropical nails, since you don't, I'm not going anywhere this summer. So I'm going to give myself some tropical nails to just so I can feel tropically, even though I don't, I'm not going anywhere. I love these little bits of texture she gives you along with them. All right, and then, and I will unwrap these and show them to you unwrapped as well. But this one is Beach Please, or Beach Please. And so again, another good kind of vacation-y one with all kinds of whimsical little designs for stuff in the pool, or, I love this jellyfish. Super cute. Oh, a manta ray. I love that. A little trident. I call that a Starbucks cup. I just do, because there you go. And I love that there's some layering ones, of course. I always love layering ones. Some sandals and some seaweed. Oh, or no, coral, not seaweed. What am I thinking? I guess you could use it as seaweed. Look at that cute little guy in the shell. Adorable. Little lighthouse. Layering dolphins there. Ooh, this is really intriguing. It's palm trees, but the way it's because it's reverse stamping, so you get some really cool Miami Vice effects with that. Flamingos, so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love that. One chic beach. I'm one chic beach. And some lovely leaves here in your overalls, and a nice little layering image with some Hawaiian flowers. Love the shells. This is just super easy. Just do up one nail and boom, you're done. You've got a cute little tropical mani if you just want to do one little nail. Layer your pineapples. So your pineapples, you can get the green tops and the yellow pineapples. It drives me crazy when I have a stamping image and I can't sort that out. So lots of beach stuff there. Alright, so here is a quick look at it without the film on it, if that's easier to see. And here is a quick look at Beach Please, if that's easier to see. Everything for your beach sort of needs that you could ever want, all on a single cute, adorable plate. Alright, let me show you some sample looks. If it focuses. Alright, so here's the first look. I wanted to try out some of those layering leaves. And I started, the base polish is Zoya Rocky. So that's beautiful color there. And then I stamped with these color likes, and I have a review of these coming up, but they stamp beautifully. And this one is Kiwis. And then I also used Aquarium. So those are the two layers that I have there. Come on, focus. You can do it. Focus. There we go. Alright, so for my second look, also with that plate, I wanted to show that, you don't have to just stick with those kinds of colors for leaves. So here are some pinks and some corals over some yellow, and I love it's a bright, happy kind of look. And so that is Zoya B is the base color, and then I stamped with a Girly Bits Coral Reef, and then also Kaleidoscope Pink for that. Alright, so for the other plate, I wanted to see if I could do something fun with those palm trees. So that is a very simple base of Zoya Kira. It's kind of shimmery brown. and then I just stamped over it with Color Alike Hawaiian Blue. I think this is one of my two favorite looks. I love this. I think this is so gorgeous. So doing that coral reef over that kind of bluey green. So that is a Blue-Eyed Girl lacquer going way down south. I don't think this is available anymore, but I bet you can find it if you really, really love it, and I love it. And then I stamped that with Color Alike Grenadine. Gorgeous hollow, and isn't that just so pretty? And then I also love the way that this one came out, so I kept this one matte as well, because this is a matte polish. It's one of the new Sally Hansen Insta-Dry mattes. So this is Rose Flush, and then I just stamped over it, very simple stamping, with Kaleidoscope White. So both of these plates are just a ton of fun for summer, for vacation, so I would say go grab them. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.